They say real athletes row, everyone else is just playing games. And that's exactly what Meherdil and Mirwais Babai do 6 hours every day. The two brothers have already amassed dozens of medals from local competitions and now they're training hard for the All Asia Junior Rowing Championship title. But the sport demands more than just muscle. Meherdil explains how willpower plays an equally important role.
Everything is not power, you'll have to use your mind, because after racing for 2000 meters you get completely dead.
There are many who have competed alongside the Babai brothers and all have high hopes from them in the upcoming event.
They are brilliant and I'm 100% sure that they will do really well at Generation.
The event which is happening right now, I've got positive thoughts for them because they're the best rowers we've got from Karachi Boat Club.
These youngsters have competed in recent international events held in Sri Lanka and United Kingdom. And everywhere they go, they carry their national colors with pride. These brothers are going where no Pakistani has gone before. They will compete in a series of grueling 2000-meter races against Asia's best teams. And even though the competition may be fierce, like true champions, there's never a moment of doubt.
The competition level there is a bit high, but inshallah we'll try our best to bring a medal for our country, Pakistan. Inshallah we'll hoping that we'll win. We'll make our country feel proud of us.
These young athletes have already collected an enviable number of titles and they are confident and ready that in coming days they will add to that tally. Mubin Nasir, Torn News, Karachi.